Houston, we have a problem.
Houston, we have a problem.
Well, what's the problem, Martin?
Well, the problem is water has got in through a tiny crack that we've had for a little while up here. And when the van's parked in a certain way, water will cascade down here. And when you get a lot of water, it fills up and we get a tiny bit of water then inside the window.
Yeah, you can actually see the condensation, how much the water's put the condensation, and you can see we've got water in there as well.
Now we've taken the bungs out. There's these little bungs that go in this side here and one that side there, and we've taken them out to try and let the vapor go out through those bungs, but it's not really going to do it.
It will dry off, so because we have done this before, right? We've had
about
the
a year or
problem
so.
Before, yeah.
Was it about a year or so ago we did it?
Yeah.
2 years. So what we've got to do is take the window off and take it out,
Right off.
and then turn it upside down, and then you can try and get water out of the two bungs, and then you can put it back on. It's very fiddly getting these back on though. It's quite easy to get it off.
It's definitely a two-man job, isn't it?
It's a two-man job, or one man and one woman. And you've got to lift the window up, lift it right up above here, and it'll come away, which we'll do
We're
now.
not going to video this, but let me tell you, there'll be lots of arguments, and there might be lots of beeping in this. So first thing, Martin, what are you going to do?
First thing is just there's two of these hinge restrainers here. They need to be just popped off, and you just pull them off, apply a little bit of pressure on the end. That's one off, and then it's just here, and they just come off. Now the window would flop down.
You just point out the bungs. Where the bungs are usually.
Oh yeah, there's normally a bung in
I don't
there.
know if you can see it. Yeah, there's a little
Bung
hole
there.
there.
And there's one on the other side there.
They're quite fiddly to get out, those, aren't they? We use pliers
Yeah, we have got some spares. I bought some spares before we left the UK.
from good old eBay.
eBay, yeah. So we got a few spares. Okay. You ready? So it goes right up. Right up.
Right up.
Hold on.
Oh, the water's coming out already.
Yeah.
That's it. So at my side.
That's at my side.
Woo!
Whoa. There's all the water.
Yeah.
We've got to try and get to that bit there.
This is like, there's a game, isn't there? There's a game that you do with this. Try and get out of the hole. So yeah, don't drop that window while we're in stuff. You did check the weather forecast. It's not going to rain, is it?
That's it. If you leave it like that, because it will just fill up it'll suck it through. It's filling up, you see.
Yeah. We got it out here the last time. That's where it came
Oh,
out.
did we?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it came out the crack the last time. That's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. We didn't do it like that. Yeah.
Well, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
where
where it came in.
out the
Oh,
last
that's
time.
fair.
That reminds me. And that's where you can see where it's going to come in. So are you going to try and repair that?
Yeah, could do. It means
Well,
leaving that window for a bit. I think water's getting in at the top bit here.
Yeah.
Because you spotted a hole there, didn't you?
I think so. But and this is the lip that you've got to put the window off and on. It's quite tight, isn't it?
So what we've done is put a little bit of gaffer tape over the top of this lip here, so any water that runs down won't go down in between the two panes of
Well, you
plastic.
hope.
Well, we hope, yeah.
So you've got to line that hole up in the window with the. Where is it?
It's just there. And what I've done, because we've done it before, I've marked it with a little marker, a little Sharpie, because there's a little underneath the recess here. There's a little raised bit inside, and that catch in the window's got to go up into there, otherwise the window won't catch under there with the lid. Yeah, as Eileen said, that lines up with
a tiny with this bit here.
Yep, with that tiny indentation there, and that's got to line up with the window.
Show where it is on the window, on the biggest. So if you bring the window out, show where it is.
Oh yeah, so
you can see the contacts where it is.
yeah, it's just there. Come on then, let's see if we can get this in. On the first attempt would be amazing, wouldn't it? Oh, I didn't think that was in. I didn't think that was in the I've got to come along a bit further actually. I can see. I don't think you can see the line from there, can you?
Yeah, I can see the line.
Oh, okay.
That's how I was doing it. I can absolutely see the line. If you can lift it up.
No, it's not in. It's not in. It's not going up under that lip. Do you want to move it left or right? Just put pressure. Just put pressure from where the join is. Where you think the line is approximately.
Can't see the line.
It's in line, so it's got to be either pushed up or pushed up. Oh, there.
No, yeah. What?
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, what happened the last time is you had it. You were trying to
push it too
hook
far
it
in,
round,
yeah.
and you don't need to hook it round.
Yeah.
There's the light.
No, we're not in. We're not lined up there. Okay. It's there.
There, right. But you don't need to push it.
Oh, it moved. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know. You
don't need to push it in.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Mine's in. Yours isn't.
Yeah, mine's not in.
Yeah, you're gonna have to put it up again. That's it. That's it.
That's it. It clicked up under there. Well done.
It's not. That's the trick.
That's it. Well done.
Just show that.
Yeah.
So the trick is, if you lift the window up again, Martin. That was really quick. That was only two takes. Three takes, maybe
better.
3 takes.
We're getting better.
So the trick is
not to push the window too far.
Yeah, right
back.
here. You think you've got to click it in, but don't. Just line it up, and don't push the window too far back. But now the thing. This is why it broke in the first place.
Yeah.
Why have we got a crack in the window? Because.
Well, the really important thing is that you sometimes these windows can move just by even just like a quarter of a centimetre. I think I banged this with my head, didn't I?
Yeah.
I got out and I banged it, and then when you tried to shut it, it was a bit stiff.
We didn't realise it was out of alignment. And
can you see that? Now this window's in, but it's too far that way.
You can see it's out of alignment.
Yeah, because the distance from the sill to this side is thicker this side. So what you do is just tap it slightly. That's a bit better, but still got to come over a little bit more. That's it. I'll go inside and see if it shuts easy, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. How's that look? There's a gap there. There's a gap there.
Yeah.
It's equally.
You're happy with that?
There's a gap there, yeah.
Just let it dry out and all the condensation come out of it.
And then what you do with
Quite a lot in there.
These just clip on. Put these on here. They just clip on to that little clip there. Just clip in.
The struts.
Little retainers.
Is that what they're called?
I don't know. Oh, and they're in. And that's it. That's the window back on. Well, that wasn't as difficult. We've done that before, and it's taken us, I don't know,
an hour and a half.
Yeah, an hour.
Yeah, an hour and a half.
And we got really frustrated. We thought we were going to have a window not being able to put back on, but it's just.
But that was really quite easy. The trick is, as we know now, don't try and push it too far in. You just keep it quite far out
as you're trying to get it up under the inner lip.
Yeah.
And another good trick, of course, is definitely what I said earlier. Definitely mark that with a Sharpie, where when you look underneath, you can see where it's got to be entered and offered up.
Because if it's not lined up, you can't get it in either. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's hope that.
Oh, there's still quite a lot of water in it, but it should dry out, right?
Yeah. So this is a little update on our window job that we did. About 3 days later, you can see that all the condensation that was in this part of the window all along here is now gone. It's gone out through the condensation's gone out through the holes there. Well, we do still have a little bit at the top, but over the next few days that's all going to go, and it should be clear. And with our little piece of temporary fix there, hopefully any more rain, if it does come down through here, won't go inside the window. I mean, that is only a temporary fix, really. We should be replacing that window, but being in America, on this road trip. Getting a window shipped out would be a bit annoying and expensive, so we're not going to bother. Hopefully this will last a few more years on our journey. So if you liked our video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel and see our adventures, and thanks for watching.